Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find billing settings in Roblox. Now you need to click on more, and this is Roblox application that I'm using on my system. Now go to settings, and from here you will find payment methods and subscriptions. You can also find the settings from your website and Roblox website. You just need to click on this gear icon and go to settings, and from here you will find subscription, and from here you will get the overview all the uh, subscription that you have purchased on Roblox. You will get the list of them, and also you can get the payment methods. From here you can add or remove your payment methods from here, and you can also allow purchases. You can disable or enable it, and you can also click on add button to add payment methods. You can add your credit card or debit card. From here you just need to enter your card number, then it can be your credit card or debit card, then enter your expiration date, security code, and the billing email. Enter your email that are verified on your Roblox account, then enter billing address and address line, another address line, then click on save, and it will saved on your Roblox account as a payment method. Now you can also go to the help center, click on help at the bottom, and here you will find payments, gift cards, and subscription related help section. You can simply click on it, and you will find some topics like subscription related to subscriptions, payments, and many more things that can be purchased or related to payments and subscriptions. And that was the billing settings in Roblox. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.